The adventure ignites deep beneath the waves as we deploy to secure the legendary barnacle-covered MiG-17 Fresco wreck at over 40 meters. Heavy lift mechanisms engage as the team carefully raises the barnacle-encrusted airframe from the depths, monitoring every inch for stability. The MiG-17 Fresco breaks the surface, still cloaked in thick marine growth after decades underwater. On deck, the jet reveals 2 to 3 centimeters of barnacles and heavy marine growth, setting the stage for full restoration.
The barnacle-covered Fresco is carefully loaded for the journey to the restoration workshop.
Safely inside the workshop, the restoration journey truly begins.
Aggressive modern cleaning removes decades of rust and marine deposits from the MiG-17 Fresco.
Severe pitting and perforations are revealed, requiring extensive repair planning.
The cockpit shows total corrosion loss of original gauges, with Cyrillic labels barely legible.
The original turbine blades are beyond repair due to marine deposits, so a full engine replacement begins.
Technicians rebuild the hydraulic lines and fuel systems, pressure tested to 3,000 psi for perfect fluid dynamics.
Panels are replaced and welded joints reinforced at the worst corrosion points.
Final assembly includes a successful gear swing test to confirm landing gear function.
Modern Garmin G3X avionics are integrated seamlessly with the classic MiG-17 Fresco airframe.
The restoration culminates in a successful engine light-off, stabilizing at 35% power.
The fully restored Fresco rolls out for its maiden flight adventure.
Strapped in, the pilot brings the restored Fresco to life for its first flight cycle.
The Fresco takes to the skies, completing a triumphant, full flight cycle.
3 green lights confirmed, perfect touchdown on runway 25. Right, mission accomplished.